everybody, and welcome to Hands on Science. Hey, Carr.
Hey, Mel.
Hey.
What's this that you have?
I got the impossible balancer.
That thing is so cool.
That is so cool. You think you could do this?
It looks like it's pretty easy to make.
It is.
I see some things here. Pipe cleaner.
Yup.
And craft stick.
Yup.
And
Two
metal hardware washers.
Yep, 2 washers.
Okay.
Super good. You knew what all those pieces were. Okay, so all we're going to do is we're going to find the middle. So connect the 2. Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to place the popsicle stick right in that middle.
Okay.
And we're going to crisscross applesauce. Then we're going to flip it. And then you can do the next one.
Crisscross again.
Crisscross again.
Okay.
Make it tight.
And then do I twist?
Yes, you do. Couple
How many
twists?
twists?
Maybe 2.
So there's 1
And 2.
and
Good.
2. Okay.
Okay, now you just... I call these arms. Fix the arms a little bit.
Okay.
So they're like a Y.
Okay.
And you see the washer?
Yes.
I'm going to show you one side. I'm going to go
Okay.
ahead and hook it on here just so it stays. Give a little twist on the bottom.
Okay, just so it's on the end?
Yeah.
Okay. And you said 1 twist?
You can, just to make sure it stays on.
Okay.
There we
I
go.
think that was a twist and a half.
Twist and a half. It still works.
Cool.
So let's see if yours will stand or balance. Whoop.
It's
Yeah,
trying to.
let's have a
Through my
yeah,
hand.
there we go. So
Oh, that's so
it's
cool.
balancing, yeah. So you notice how yours is that sort of laying down. Mine's is sort of standing up. Oops.
Yeah.
So it's the way the washers are. So if you wanted
So
to-
if I change the
If you change the way,
arms a little bit, there's,
Uh-huh.
you know, it's standing up a little more.
right,
This is so cool and how easy and so simple.
simple.
This is awesome. Mel, thanks for bringing this to our episode today. Guys, if you liked this activity as much as I did, please make sure to subscribe for more Hands on Science, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.